Hello viewers, welcome to watchcentre.pk official YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review one of new Casio ladies wristwatch in silver stainless steel chain, and the dial is also in silver with the blue detail on the dial. As you can see, the hour marks, hands, the minutes and hour hands are in blue. And also the second hand is also in blue. It's a ladies watch, Casio, and original watch. There's a close-up of the dial, and there's a date option on the dial as well. And the chain is in pattern, as you can see. It's a Casio original watch. This is the back side of the chain in stainless steel, which gives this watch water resistance, and the inside of the chain. And it's a Casio watch, and the model number is LTP-V002D-7B3. It's the model number of the watch. It's a Casio original ladies watch. So here with this middle knob, you can adjust the date, and also with this button you can adjust the time as well. So it's a pretty standard settings like other analog watches. Pretty decent watch, and we will check the weight of this watch and also the diameter of the round dial. It's a ladies watch, so the diameter is pretty small. So let's check the weight first in gram. So viewers, weight of this ladies Casio watch in gram is 52.5. 52.5 gram is the total weight. Viewers, let's check the diameter of the round dial in millimeter. So viewers, the round dial diameter is 24.5 mm. 24.5 mm is the diameter of the round dial. So viewers, you can order this ladies Casio watch online in Pakistan by sending us a message on our WhatsApp number 0310-2233-484, or you can also order this watch online on our watch store watchcentre.pk. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel watchcentre.pk to get notification of the video reviews of Casio watches and other branded watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.